Today, we'll be exploring how technology is used to keep you safe. Technology is used for all different types of security. Some of the technology surrounding you keeps you safe without you even knowing it. Think about it. Smart homes have built-in sensors that can alert your phone, the police, and a family member all at the same time without a potential intruder even knowing it. At LINGO, we help you understand that technology is a language that you can learn and that you can use for all sorts of fun and exciting projects that apply to the real world. Security. Even the word itself brings up visions of armed guards and the Secret Service. But security doesn't have to necessarily involve people. Unmanned security systems are literally everywhere. If something needs protecting, living or non-living, more than likely there's a security system designed to protect it. Most smart home technology monitors entry and exit places in a home, like doors and windows. But they can also include motion detectors, glass break sensors, smoke detectors, and even water leak detectors. Some of the newer and effective sensors utilize ultrasonic sensors, similar to what you use in many of your LINGO projects. Ultrasonic waves are transmitted from the sensor into an open space. And as the signal hits an object that enters in the space, the ultrasonic waves are bounced back and picked up by the receiver, which then activates an alarm. In this LINGO project, you will use sensors and other cool components to build and program your very own miniature security system.